Let's check what's inside. Ooh, sobrang dami. Naka-tupperware box siya. OMG. Kita ko na agad. Upfront. Eto na sila. OMG. Sobrang laki. For comparison, look how small those are compared to these guys. These are the big boys, you know. So, good morning everyone. I'm back. Basically, I decided to do a reboot of the channel. I have seen like flaws in it on the video, so I actually started upsizing para magkaroon tayo ng standard sizing to all plugs and tunnels that we will review moving forward. And basically, we're gonna start the reboot with an upsizing video, like yung journey ko for upsizing. Currently, I'm on a 40mm size for my lobes, and we're going to 50mm kung kakayanin. And the package that you're seeing in front of you right now is a package from DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. Maraming salamat, Master Hadouken or Ken, as you know him from Facebook, from DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. So ito siya, kararating lang today. Date and time check, July 28, 2021 ng umaga. Nasasabihin eksaktong oras, pero ayan siya. So ito, simulan natin yung ating channel reboot with an unboxing, and this is the package that we have right now. So may mga plugs dito na hindi sa akin, which was actually ordered separately by one of my brothers, Wency from PQC. Salute sa'yo kapatid. Ito na yung ating plugs. So habang ina-unbox natin to, I also did a bit of an upgrade. So as you can see, yung video quality natin ngayon is better than the previous videos, and you will experience it. You will continue to experience and see the improvements moving forward. We have a lot of in store for you, and let's check what's inside. Ooh, sobrang dami. Naka-tupperware box siya. I actually got or ordered an upsize kit. So I ordered a 42, 46, 48, and 50s. Up until 50 kasi naka 40 na ako ngayon. Will do increments of 2mm every increase. So let me get my caliper. Here we go. So atin natin kung tama yung timbang niya. Alright. Safe na safe. Naka-cling wrap ng malupit. Medyo mahabang proseso. OMG. Kita ko na agad. Upfront. Eto na sila. OMG. Sobrang laki. Hindi ko na-expect na ganito kalaki yung 50mm. Pero sobrang excited ako to upsize to this size. Super excited. Ito na siya, guys. As you can see, sobrang ganda as what you will expect from DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. So ayan. Ito siya. These pair are actually custom seals or plugs that I asked to be made. Available to sa Shopee page. You can order it from there, and these are 50mm. Very nice. Very nice. Konting linis lang to and we're all good. Napakaganda, napaka-solid. Ang cute niya. So yan yung 50s natin. Yun yung magiging 50s natin. Let's check kung 50mm ba talaga. Okay. Sitting at the middle, 49.6 close to 50. 0.4 millimeters is not bad. So you can see. Let's check the other one. 49.9. Teka. Yan. 49.8. Not bad. 2.2 millimeters. So, roughly close to each other and really close to 50 millimeters. That's a very good one. Next is these. These are dream catchers. Yun yung pangalan ng design, dream catchers. Kasi mukha siyang dream catcher. Wala lang yung mga lawit-lawit. Yan. So, yung gitna nito ay glow in the dark. And we're gonna see that pretty soon pag nakapag-upsight na ako ng 50. They're very nice looking plugs. Let's take a look sa size. $49.8. And then the other one, 49.8. Matchy. Very nice. And then, ito, yung ating pinasabay. Pinasabay ng ating kapatid na si Wency. Tol, ito na yung plugs mo. Ako na bahala maglinis nito. Ayan. Greyhounds. Logo. The paw print. Greyhounds plugs. There you go. Back-to-back design. Ayan siya. There. Really nice. This is a 20 millimeter plug. Let's check yung size. Yan, 20.5. Medyo malaki ng konti. Not bad. Let's check the other one. Ito, 20.4. Very nice. Normally, Ken wouldn't really accept kasi as you can see, yung paw print, mahirap siyang ilagay sa ganito ka small na size. Nagawan lang ng diskarte and maraming salamat para dyan. Ito, kay kapatid na Wency din to. Let's check yung sizing. 20.4. Check the other one. Okay. 20.4. Matchy. Okay. All good. Now, itong marami. Ito yung concave plugs. Simple. These are the upsize kits na kinuha ko. So, let's see. Ito. So, I'm guessing ito yung ating 42 and 44, 46, and 48. Let's check. 41.6. This is our 42. I'm guessing. Ito yung ating 44. 43.6. Ito yung ating 46. 45.6. And lastly, yung ating 48. Here. 47.6. So, ayan. As you can see, sizes are really close to each other. Very nice. Ito na yung magiging tunnels ko for the next couple of weeks, maybe months, depende kung gaano kabilis mag-upsize. Pero of course, dahan-dahan lang ang pag-upsize. So, ayan siya, yung ating kit, 42, 44, 46, and 48. And then yung final sizes natin for 50. So, 50 millimeters yung ating magiging closing size. And from there on, I'll start reviewing other plugs for a very fair comparison about the sizing, weight, like we did on the previous video. But for now, the videos that I will upload will be about the upsizing journey. I'll show you how I upsize and the methods that I use. Okay, so ayan, ito siya. So for now, let's get it out of the way and we're gonna take a look at the other parts of the package that he sent us. Let's go. Ito na siya. I have 2. Ooh, okay. So this one is, let's see. Alright. DarkIcon trucker cap. Ayan. So net cap, trucker cap, net cap, whatever you want to call it. It has the DarkIcon name at the front, embroidered. Ayan siya, embroidered yung name. Pero hindi siya embroidered sa mismong sombrero, pero embroidered, siguro embroidered to sa harap. Hindi lang natin makita kasi tinakpan na ng foam. Very decent, very nice. Okay to. And then it has the DarkIcon logo at the back. And it has their motto at the back. Made to inspire, not to impress. Very nice. Snapback. Snaps are looking good. So, DarkIcon plugs and tunnels, as you can see, meron silang mga gantong merchandise. These merchandise are actually made or being sold by them as well for a limited time. Pinalad lang tayo na nakakuha tayo nito. And I also have their jersey. Like the first video unboxing that we did, they had the jersey. They also had this shorts na parang pang swimming. So, very nice. And then we have this other package. Let's see. Please open here. Pero ang hirap nang i-open here. Ayan. Ooh, teka, ano yun? Parang may nalaglag. Oh, okay. Zippers pala yun na parang nalaglag. Alright. So, eto na siya. Belt bags. Nice. So, it has the DarkIcon name stitched at front. Merong saksakan ng headset. Or labasan ng headset. It has 1, 2, 3 pockets. All in all. On the sides, 1 big pocket at the front and another pocket on the side. So, ganito yung material niya sa likod. Very sturdy. Ang laki nung clip niya. And it has this adjustable straps. Okay to. Magagamit ko to pag nagra-ride. Lalagyan ng cellphone. Lalagyan ng barya or pera and whatnot. Huwag lang talaga uulan kasi of course this is not waterproof. But it has this reflective band right here on both sides. So it's looking really good. I don't know if you can see the reflect effect of it. O ayan, nakikita nyo, butas talaga yung lalagyan ng headset. Hindi siya props. Ayan siya, lusutan ng headset. So it's really ideal lalagyan ng cellphone. So habang nagsa-sounds ka, kung gusto mo mag-sounds habang nagda-drive, whatever you wanna use this for. So, ayan, zippers are all working fine. So, pagkakaalam ko, this bag comes in 2 tones. This is the gray one. Ayan. And as you can see, we have the other one here. Just the black one. So, again, it has their name on it. And here, not only here, but it has this as well, the other one here. It doesn't have the logo, the Viking logo, but it has their name on it, DarkIcon plugs, and it has this motto at the back. Of course, we cannot really see it because it's bent. Made to inspire, not to impress. DarkIcon motto. There you go. Zippers are working fine. So, let's check yung lalagyan ng headsets. Ayan. All good. And then the other pocket. There. Very nice. Okay. Mahilig din ako mag-rides, mag-motor. I'll show a video na magra-ride ako and I'm gonna use this very soon. Singit lang natin sa ating plugs review. Okay. So, that's it. Maraming salamat again for DarkIcon plugs and tunnels. Whew. Ang ganda ng 50s. I'm really excited to wear these. I just don't know how long it will take me to upsize to 50, but what, it's really nice. Currently, these are the plugs that I'm using. These are my 40s. For comparison, look how small those are compared to these guys. These are the big boys, you know. These are the big boys. Yeah. Ayan. So, shout out sa lahat ng members ng aming messenger group, lahat ng brads na may tunnels and plugs, mahilig sa tattoos. And again, maraming salamat, DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels, Ken Hadoken of DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. Maraming salamat, di mo ko nakakalimutan. And thank you dito sa upsizing kit. And hopefully, makapag-set up tayo ng interview soon nang makita naman ng ating mga viewers ang iyong workstations, how you make these beautiful things that they wear. You know? Ayun lang guys, maraming salamat. Expect that I will be uploading videos really soon and have these videos uploaded at a very steady pace na. Let's bring it back, and I really do hope I get your support on that. Thank you again, everyone. Keep safe and have a good day, everyone. Thank you.
So, ayun na nga. Gaya ng sinabi ko, we're gonna do a reboot. Pasensya na kayo kung naka-headset ako kasi currently improvising, still buying stuff that I need for the vlogs. So, I'm just using this to improve the quality kasi medyo bumabagyo sa labas, rinig yung kulog. So, para medyo maganda yung audio quality. But moving forward, we're gonna have more equipments, more stuff. We're gonna be more preparing these vlogs for you to share yung aming stretching journey. And like what I mentioned, to provide a better comparison kasi magiging standard size na tayo, 50 millimeters moving forward kung kakayanin. If not, stop tayo kung hanggang saan kaya ng lobes. And then from there, we're gonna be uniforming yung sizes para mas maganda yung comparison natin sa weight, sa size, and for each material that we're gonna be reviewing moving forward. So, as you can see, I am doing air weights right now. Ito yung method na sinusubukan ko for the meantime. I was using a taping method before, so I'll put videos separately for taping, a separate video for dead stretching or yung putting weights on your lobes, and other methods of stretching as well. So I have been using this for a week, more than a week now. Ito yung pinakamalaki that you can get from Shopee. I'm not promoting any sellers or whatnot. Just search for bead captive rings or force fit rings, and then you're gonna get them, see them, and you can buy them. Just get the biggest one that you can get, and you know, kung meron kayong caliper, it will give you a rough idea on how big it is para meron lang kayong idea. I'll give you a closer look into the ear weights that I'm using right now. Titimbangin natin siya, susukatin natin siya. And as of the moment, I'm wearing these 40 millimeter plastic plugs from also DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. DarkIcon has been there with us since day one, and dahil dyan, maraming salamat sa'yo. Hadoken of DarkIcon Plugs and Tunnels. So, yun. Next upsize ko dito sa 40, increments of 2, 42 millimeter. I'll show you. Kaso sa totoo lang, medyo naiinip ako sa pag-upsize kasi pag dead stretch, matagal talaga siya. Hindi siya ganun gano. Pero if you will look, ayan, medyo may opening na siya for both sides. Pero still not enough. I'll explain to you why. Kung bakit hindi pa siya ready and it needs to be stretched a little bit more. Siguro, in 2 weeks time or in a couple of days, baka bumalik na ulit ako sa taping kasi medyo mabagal talaga yung process. Pero we'll do them both. I'll do taping method and dead stretching at the same time para mas mabilis siyang bumuka and makakuha natin agad yung 50 millimeter size na ating inaasamin na short period of time. So, it's nice seeing you again, everyone. Maraming salamat sa lahat na nag-stay, nanonood pa din sa atin. Sana madagdagan yung subs. And as you can see, video quality again, maayos na siya. Yung mga shots lang kanina, nasa-shake kasi yung pad. So, we have gotten a sturdier pad for the camera and the lights. Kasi yung camera natin nag-autofocus pag nagagalaw. So, moving forward, we're gonna have everything taken care of. We're gonna have better videos, better everything for you guys. So look forward to that, and I'm also looking forward to, hearing out from you, comments and such. Follow us on Facebook, um, and follow us on YouTube. Subscribe and watch our videos. So again, my name is Jay, and this is Through the Gap Reboot. Maraming salamat, guys.